Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna do my plan with me. Now, I'm doing my plan with me very early on this week just because I took today off. I just couldn't go to work today. I didn't feel well. I was extra bloated. My whole body is a mess. I kid you not. Sorry if it's too TMI, but I don't know what's wrong with me. But anywho, I did want to start using the Planner Kate sticker kits, and honestly I've been feeling very cozy, very, you know, I don't know, but I feel like I'm gonna use this kit 182R, and I think it's all of these, so not this one, even though I think this one's so pretty. I'm gonna actually use, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna use this kit and I'm gonna wait off on the other ones. So anywho, let me get started. So you go ahead and open up November. This is how my November calendar is looking like. I did this on the side on my own one day because I was just like, I really need to figure out what I have going on this month, and this is how it's looking out. So I'm gonna be planning for the week of the 4th to the 10th, I believe, which is pretty insane. This is the one week I was really looking forward to, and then this is like my Halloween week that you guys saw. So here we go. We're gonna do Monday 4th to the 10th, and I'll be using the Planner Kate kit 182D, and I think it's so pretty. I have the header date here, some boxes, the sidebar, and bottom washi that I added, because even though I really like these, I feel like this is just, I don't know, I feel like it's so much better. So I'm going to go ahead and put down the bottom washi right over here. And this is an hourly, so I know I tend not plan like how the hourly people tend to plan. I do more of a whatever works out type of planning. So I like to cover everything up. Bottom washi is my favorite. It's just something I enjoy. And there we go. So now let me do the headers. So the headers, we're going to do the 4th. Right over here. I finally have my tweezers with me. Thank God, because I be struggling, you guys. I've been having my nails for a while now. And honestly, they're to the point where they're like my own nails now. So if I don't want to take them off now, because I'm like, my nails are so long that it's almost no longer acrylic. It's just pure my nails. So I'm gonna get them filed down pretty low, and then hopefully I'll change the color into like something more neutral, like that. I don't have to be struggling every single day with trying to like put down stickers, work on orders. All right, there we go. So let me go ahead and put, actually I needed to put down the washi. So do I have any washi? No, I actually don't put any washi. All right. This week is gonna be pretty full of things I need to do personally, but it's also gonna be very like blah. So let me do my sidebar, because this week I am preparing to move out. I need to be cleaning like there's no tomorrow, and I need to be passing inspection, and hopefully I get to keep the majority of my deposit, even though I know like my carpet is kind of destroyed because Bae just didn't listen in the beginning of when we moved in, that your girl didn't want like drinks in the room, and he would drop shit on the carpet. It'd annoy me. But anywho, we're not gonna worry about that. Now we're just gonna set up my sidebar, because it's like my favorite thing to do. I don't know, I feel like it creates a layout for me to have and to follow, even though like it's not something I really fill out. There we go. Put this right over here. Oh, I already made it crooked. Oh my God, I'm like the worst. And not only that, I'm like hungry. It's like 8 in the morning. I've been up since 4, if I'm not mistaken. So let me see. Let me put a to forget little thing right over here. Don't forget. And then maybe I can put like these habit trackers, because I like replying to comments. Now, the only reason why I haven't been replying to comments this entire time is because I was hosting giveaways, and if I comment on each single comment back like I usually do, then I will be entering myself, and since I'd be replying to every single comment, I would be the #1 winner. So you guys, I'm not ignoring you guys, I'm just avoiding that mishap. So yeah. Oh, and since I am planning very early on this week, it's actually Tuesday, I will have the giveaway winner link down below in the description box, and I'll also pin it in a comment, just because my giveaway for my previous plan with me is still going on. So thank you guys so much for everyone that has entered. So I will leave the winner down below, or I'll put it here. Okay? All right, anywho, Monday was yesterday, and I'm actually gonna write down appointments that I have this week. So appointments that I have: yesterday I had physical therapy. That was at 12 or 12:30, but I write too big for it to be able to match. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. And then today I have my physician, which is Dr. Alavi. And he's at 3. And then tomorrow I have physical therapy again. I know I have a lot of appointments, you guys. Physical therapy. And that one is at 12 as well. And the only reason why I have so much is because, you know, I'm still with my workers' comp claim. And we're still trying to figure out what's wrong with my hand. How come it's not getting better? I had like a second injection, which didn't go the best. Like, my hand was really swollen and in pain, and it still kind of burns and whatnot. But yeah, it's not being very nice to me. And then on Thursday I do have I have acupuncture. So let me go ahead and put it in this color. Acupuncture. And this one's at 12:30. Well, they're technically all are, but I rate too big for any of this mess. Alright, so that is what's going on in my medical life. Oh, and on Saturday I have my dentist appointment. I thought I was done, and I'm not. So dentist at 9 a.m. I've been having issues with my overbite or whatever. I feel like my teeth are becoming crooked after I got taken out some molars. So I feel like some of my teeth are inverting, or like my teeth are, I don't know, they're protruding out more, or I don't. It sounds all types of bad, but it's not that bad. But I can notice the minor things going on, because I'm like constantly looking at my teeth. I'm constantly flossing. It's just, I like to take care of my teeth, because that's just like one thing that I know people, that's the first thing that you see. They see your smile. So yeah. So anyway, that is all the appointments I have this week, and it's a lot. I'm always overwhelmed. Now what I want to do is put down my videos. So today I had my Gilio sinking funds, Gilio Muppets sinking review. So I'm just gonna put that. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up on a card right over here. So basically I bought a planner for my sinking funds, and I really wanted to try it out, and I ended up loving it. So I was really happy about that. Then on Thursday, I want to get my debt update, because I totally forgot I had to do that. So don't eat me, you guys. I totally forgot I had to do a debt update. So go ahead and put debt update. I can't believe I haven't done it. It's already like we're far so in the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my debt update. And then on Saturday here, I'm gonna go ahead and do my budget with me. No. I'm not even sure because I can put a video up tomorrow, put my debt update, put my November weekly check-in, my budget with me, my cash envelope stuffing, my plan with me. But I don't know if I want to do all of that. But I am going to put my plan with me since I'm already doing this. I have so many videos. I am behind. And I would upload every single time, every single day like I've been doing. But I don't have the time this week to edit and film all of it because I'm moving, you guys. I am moving. So you're gonna see less and less, but I am uploading constantly, which is a good thing. All right, so one thing that we do have on Friday is our what do you call it, our inspection. So I'm gonna put apartment inspection. Now I don't know the time, but I know it's happening. Bay took the day off already. He's gonna take Friday and next week off because he is gonna basically move for me. He's gonna do all of it. I'm just in charge of cleaning and getting everything, you know, set in place because I have to go to work. I basically used up my PTO and my sick time, especially today since I took the day off, and I need to be working. So, you know, Thanksgiving and Black Friday is happening, so he's gonna be moving for me, and hopefully my family is also gonna help once in a while, so I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, so apartment inspection is happening on Friday. Kind of looks a little full already as it is. All right, and then let me do Monday since I already know what Monday happened or whatnot. So I know I went to work. Let me see if I have my work stickers. So these are from my shop, the work stickers. And if you don't know, I'm currently working from 5 a.m. to 2. I've switched to the morning shift to help have some coverage for our department because the morning shift is lacking a lot of people. There's 2 right now on medical leave because they were injured with the same nonsense I was. So they had to do something about that. So I'm okay. I'm better than all of them at the moment. My hand is not as bad as how they are right now. When I took my leave, that's how I first started. So hopefully we'll be getting them soon. I'm back so I can go back to swing because it's been a struggle, you guys, to be waking up at 4 a.m. and going to work and then feeling tired all day, all week, and feeling like you don't have the time of day or the rest. So I'm happy that, you know, it's you know, I'm able to do this, but I'm exhausted. And honestly, I prefer the nighttime crew because it's a lot of more younger people. They're more fun. They're more like, I don't know, they're just nicer. Or they understand young people ways. If that makes any sense. Oh my god, I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but anywho. So on Monday I went to the post office. I'm using Cali Pie stickers. I worked on clearing my queue all on Sunday. So on Monday, right after work, I went and dropped off the orders. So I was really happy because my queue, I had been like ignoring my queue for so long and I totally feel bad, but it's just like, ugh. I was like, I needed to time off. I was stressing and everything. And then later on the day, I went to the post office, like the actual post office, because this is a drop off at a mailbox by my court. And then I went to the actual post office and I shipped out my giveaway winners prizes. Shipped out giveaway prizes. Which reminds me, I need to go ahead and email them their tracking number. One of them was to the Philippines and one was Wyoming? Maybe. I might be wrong. But anywho, yeah. Now, yesterday we did a date night with Bae. We were just tired. We're so tired. He goes to work in at 4, I go in at 5. So we are basically up like forever. And then we come home and we're so exhausted that we're like, shush. Like, what? But anywho, we did do laundry. I can't find my laundry stickers, which is really bad of me because honestly, I'm like, way to promote my shop, right? I know, but we did laundry. And then before that, we did like a date night. Oh, these are not even a match. They're not even matching. But we did do a date night where we caught up on all of the Ghost Adventure episodes that we had missed. Let me see, do I have one? Let's do this one. And we caught up in that, so I'm gonna put Ghost Adventures. I love Ghost Adventures, you guys. I'm a skeptic, he's a believer, but I love the show. I'm like, we did the Halloween special, which I didn't mind, but I'm like, honestly, if you guys are talking about like this is a house that is basically based on The Conjuring, which why would you go and stir up some shit? Like, what? You don't do that. Anywho, today the only thing I have planned is to go out, not go out, but like go to Walmart with my grandma or my mom, because I was supposed to take her on Sunday, but that didn't work out. She was doing her own thing and I was like, dude, I don't wait for people. I'm like the worst person ever. I don't wait for people. And then I'm gonna go to Bath and Body Works because I went on Sunday and I didn't have my coupon that I wanted to use, so I was out of budget. I had budgeted like $60 for it, and when I went I didn't have it, so I'm gonna go back today to get my discount so I can be on budget or under budget, which is perfect. So that's that. And then I'm planning on just cleaning. So is there like a cleaning thing here? Yeah, clean house. So I vacuumed yesterday and we did laundry. So I'm still missing the kitchen. The kitchen is like the one thing I don't want to do ever. Like, I hate cleaning the kitchen, and that's like my boyfriend's area. We decided when we moved in that the kitchen was gonna be his mess to clean and I was gonna do the room. Then he was just like, oh, it's not fair, you get the easiest part of the house. So I was like, okay, fine, let's switch. You can get the bedroom and I'll get the kitchen. Let's just say none of us kept up with that bargain. We don't clean because we're so tired and we're so busy and we're just lazy people. Okay, so I gotta do dishes, which are piled sky high. I gotta put away clothes. And let me see. Got a steam mop. And we gotta sweep the kitchen. And I gotta throw out trash. Like, Lord. It's a mess, and I haven't been grocery shopping because we're moving, so I don't want to be moving with a bunch of food, so that's what's happening. But yes, this so far has been my week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out the winner down below in the description bar, and I'll see you in my next plan with me. Bye, you guys.